we got an iPhone 14 Pro Max with the front camera not working issues. Here you can see the back camera is normal. Here you can see the back camera is normal in any mode, but when we switch to the front camera, it's not working. This is not a software glitch that can be fixed by any software update. For this, you can try once with the restart your iPhone. The front camera is blank. Let's fix the iPhone 14 Pro Max front camera not working issues. Like before, if your iPhone is powered on, then don't forget to power off your iPhone first. Disconnect the battery first always. Remove all flex of LCD. Here you can see this section is highly sensitive, so don't touch with bare hand while the battery is connected. This may damage dot projector, which cause Face ID error. Disconnect the front camera module. Here you can see someone is already trying to repair the front camera. Let's repair the camera module. You have to desolder 3 pins. Let's repair the camera. You can change the front camera module from other iPhone 14 Pro Max. If you change, then you have to restore the iPhone once. Otherwise, camera not working. I'm here trying to reheart this chip. If you don't want all this mess, then you can only change the front camera module and restore it once. Reheart this chip. Clean dust. Let's put the lens in the correct position. Let's resolder all pin. Let's check camera is working or not. Here you can see the front camera is working like normal, means the problem was fixed. The front camera on different modes works. The front camera was encrypted. If you change it, then you have to restore your iPhone once. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment below. Hi, this is the GSM Solution and it's me your friend Akash. Peace out.